Everybody, welcome back to another video about Babydoge. My friends, this video is going to be very important for all Babydoge holders. Just do it and make a huge amount of profit with the Babydoge, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, Stake channel will guide you how to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. What is the best coin to buy now? And what is a perfect decision for everybody, those people who's holding Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, a lot of cryptocurrencies holding. I will advise you that what is the perfect time, is it the best time to buy, is it the best time to sell, is it the best time to hold. I will guide you, my friends, but you have to only connect it with the Stake channel, so subscribe now. Anyways, my friends, now you can see here that the changes occur in the Babydoge 2.60%. The changes is increasing positive, my friends. And my friends, now still the Babydoge price is very low, my friends. So personally, my friends, I think that is the another opportunity for everybody, not only for Babydoge holders, for everybody to please invest now in a Babydoge, because my friends, simply if you want profit, Babydoge is a good option for everybody to invest now and make a profit. You can see, my friends, the price is low and the changes is positive. So this means that every hour, every day you get profit from a Babydoge, my friends. So absolutely, Babydoge will only give you profit, not loss, my friends. And furthermore, you can see Babydoge is also now a trending token in the market. Now, you know what, at this time, I'm talking about just at this time, XRP, Cardano is and then negative changes. But you can see here, my friends, a lot of people going to invest in a Babydoge 40.29%. The market, the trading volume is increased, my friends. So absolutely, my friend, that's mean that people starting a very huge amount investing in a Babydoge. I also recommend for all of you to please invest now more and more and make a huge amount of profit with the Babydoge. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.